Oh, bike's incredible. I mean, it's just, you know, to be able to, the distance that we've gone and the ease that it was, it's incredible. I mean, the bike gets up to about 21, 22 miles an hour.
Well, hi, it's Jerry. In today's video, I get to have a treat to share with you all. And from time to time, I get to do something fun with the kids, our adult kids, Joel and Julie. You've seen videos in the past where Joel and I have hiked, or Julie and I have done some e-bikes and some repairs on her camper. And today, Joel and I took a massive 30-mile ride on an e-bike. He had never been on an e-bike before, and you'd have to know him. He is quite competitive and he likes to do extreme stuff. So for his first attempt on an e-bike, let's do 30 miles, Pops. So we did. We had so much fun. I enjoyed being on this HOVSCO. I've been using it quite a bit. This is a HOVBeta. Joan has got a purple one, and Joel grabbed that purple unit, and off we went. And we just had the absolute best time. So I'm going to turn this over to Joel now and let you see his comments as we were riding around, and let you kind of get some of his input. Again, this was a 30-mile ride. Beautiful place down right outside of New Smyrna Beach. And we were just literally letting it go and had so much fun. Here's Joel's comments. So Joel, you're on Mom's HOVSCO HOVBeta, is what they call it. What do you think? This is the first time you've been on an e-bike, isn't it?
It is. It's awesome. I love it. I mean, I'm addicted already. And we just started. Well, I got to ride a little bit before we loaded it up, so I got to play around so I'd kind of get an idea how to maneuver this, but it's so easy to use.
The controls are very ergonomic, aren't they?
Yeah, very user-friendly. It's so effortless to, you know, build up some speed, and then, you know.
Now you even
can get it going. You can get it going pretty fast.
Yeah. These things will scoot. They'll get up to about 25 miles an hour,
which is, you know, doesn't sound like a lot, but it
is on an e-bike.
On the e-bike, you're going pretty fast when it gets up that high.
Now you had mentioned that you may even consider taking this to work. You drive what, about 15, 16 miles to work?
Yeah, give or take.
And on pretty days you might consider this?
Absolutely, because down here there's so many bike paths. It's bike friendly.
Yeah.
Driving around town, you're gonna see people on regular bikes, on these. It's just an everyday thing down here, and for the most part, people are pretty conscious about it.
And one of the things about being down here, just bike trails are everywhere, aren't they?
Everywhere, yeah, everywhere, even on the major roads. So yeah, I'm you know, already mapping out my schedule and the weather. Of course, don't want to try to do it if it's going to rain. But
and that's
yeah, I've got an idea. I would definitely ride this up to work, and it'd be fun.
It would be fun.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to continue to tour down here, just see what the sights share, and then we'll go from there for a little while. I think it's going to be a beautiful ride. Have no idea what scenery we'll see. We're seeing that this is convenient for walkers too, and we'll watch out for them.
It's nice and shaded.
This is a lot of fun.
It's awesome.
This is awesome.
It's a blast.
We've been 15 miles, and Joel just lost the first bar on his bike. And Joel, you are riding again the HOVSCO HOVBeta, HOVBeta, and that's Mom's, and I know you just have. I'm going to have to fight you for it too.
Probably. There's a good chance.
There's a good chance. They are a ton of fun. They're well made.
They are fun.
It's just absolutely beautiful bike. Again, a lot of the features and functions that you see on many of these bikes that we've reviewed in the past. We've reviewed this one in the past. This is a purple one. I have a red one. And it's just a fun bike. It's just a really good bike. Okay, 15 miles to head back.
Let's go.
All right, Joel. Been fun, hasn't it?
Man, it has been a blast. So much fun.
What have you thought about the HOVSCO?
Oh, bike's incredible. I mean, it's just, you know, to be able to, the distance that we've gone And the ease that it was, it's incredible. I mean, the bike gets up to about 21, 22 miles an hour. And I still got it on level 1 and level 2. I mean, doing it like that. Now we're on a flat surface, but still, it's what a bike, man. It's awesome. Really fun.
They are a lot of fun. Well, it's been a blast being with Joel today, and him trying out his mom's HOVSCO. The trails are just fantastic. If you get a chance, I'm gonna put in today's show notes and in the description below where you can find this fantastic trail. Hope you get a chance if you're down in the Daytona Beach, New Smyrna Beach area. We did 30 miles, 15 down and 15 back, and there was a ton left. So I love doing this kind of stuff because you know what I like?
I love RV life.